Hey guys, Amy White with Worthy Written Words, and today we're in the Doctrine and Covenants, section 88, verse 62. And we're going to be making this Call Me kit as part of our monthly subscription that you get every month. You can see in the show notes how to get this kit if you don't already have it. And you can also see how to sign up for additional kits. We're going to start with the 2 clear sticker sheets that come in your kit. So putting the white ones away, we get the clear ones, and I am going to create a pattern going down the side of my margin and clipping off any extra that comes off the page. So my pattern that I'm going to do is yellow, pink, and then blue. And when you are layering stickers, you always want to start with the clear ones first at the bottom. And you usually don't put clear ones on top of clear ones because then it looks confusing because they blend together. So you do the clear on the bottom so you can see the words underneath, and then we layer on top with the white sticker backing. So I'm putting these clear long ones in my header and in my footer. I like that I can see the Doctrine and Covenants reference up at the top. The footnotes aren't really a big deal. I don't care if I cover them up or not. So I'm going to go ahead and use the non-see-through ones as well to finish my pattern. Then when I have the first layer done, I'm going to go back over with the white non-see-through stickers, and I'm going to put some just in between them at different lengths. And you'll even see that if you pick them up soon enough, you can replace them and put them in different places if you don't like where you initially put them. But if they've been sticking there for a while, then you'll rip your page if you put them anywhere else. In fact, I put this quote sticker down next, and I'm going to end up moving it farther to the left later on. Now I'm going to take this 3D pop dot and put it in the middle of my phone cutout. Then I layer it with the number dial, and then I can remove the sticker top and then place the other smaller circle on top of it. This makes it so that the numbers rotate, but that the other one holds firm. Now I'm cutting little slits in my phone handle so that I can have it rest in the phone cradle without moving around too much. And then using the curly shoelace and hot glue, I'm going to attach one end to the phone handle and the other end to the bottom of the base of the phone. Now I'm going to attach this to my page using the 3D squares, and I'm going to put them in all of the different corners that seems important. And I also chose to attach the phone handle itself down to the page because I travel a lot with my books, and they get a little bit more beat up than normal use, and so I didn't want it to rip. And so I use the additional 3D foam circles that come in the kit to attach my phone handle down so it doesn't move around as much. But if you want to leave it undone, then you can take it off of the receiver and you can move it around more. Now going back to my clear stickers, I take the dash stickers and I put them around wherever I think they would look cute, and I do it with the dash ones and the circle ones, making sure that I save some to put at the top with my tab. So then I get my tab and I get my sticker that goes with the tab, and I center that on there how I want it to, and then I'm going to attach the tab. And I attach the tab using the washi tape that came in the kit. And then I use the remainder of the dash and circle stickers to put along the top of my page. And here's a fun tip. If you cut a sticker that goes off of the edge of your page, you don't have to just throw it out. You can use the remainder as another sticker, which I just did there at the bottom of my page. And then using the remainder of the washi tape that I have left, I am going to put it at, actually I move it to the top right section of the quote. Using my red glazed Sakura gel pen, it actually looks more pink than red. It seems like it matches better than my pink ones do. I underline verse 62, and then after that, we're going to make the page topper using the yarn. The easiest way to explain this is that you put all of the strands of yarn through the paper clip and then fold it over at the middle section. And you're going to want to leave one strand out because that's what you're going to use to tie all of the strands together near the base of the paper clip. And you tie it in a knot, and then the leftover pieces from the knot just blend together with the other strands that are already there. And after you're done tying it in a tight knot the way that you want it to look, then you can take some scissors and cut them so that they're even length to whatever length. You can cut it as short as you want it or leave it as long as they are. And that is all there is to making this page topper. You can do this over and over again with different kinds of yarn or string, and it's just really simple and easy. And that is it for today. I hope you guys had fun learning how to make this phone and also how to make this cool yarn, chunky yarn page topper. We will see you again next month for the next subscription kit. And if you haven't, you can sign up at the website under the subscriptions to get your monthly kit sent to your door. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.